And today we're diving into the wild world of prepping. We're talking about 24 must-have items every prepper should consider. These aren't your average beans and bandages. We're exploring items that might surprise you and make a difference. Got a pen and paper? Jot it down, let's get to it. Hit the comment section and tell me your score. This isn't just any book. This is the SAS Survival Guide, packed with life-saving knowledge. It's small enough to fit in your back pocket, bursting with practical advice for building a fire and finding water. Whether facing a disaster or venturing off the grid, it's a must-have, so make sure you've got your copy. Now, this might seem strange, but trust me, moleskin is a hiker's best friend. It's the ultimate blister prevention tool. Cut a piece, apply it to hot spots, and say goodbye to blisters. But moleskin's uses go beyond blister care. Patch a backpack, create a bandage, or use it as tinder to start a fire. It's lightweight, compact, and versatile. A small item with a big impact. We're talking security here, folks. A driveway alarm is your first line of defense, your early warning system. These battery-operated wireless sensors are easy to install and provide an extra layer of awareness. Peace of mind, that's what we're after here. A driveway alarm gives you that extra level of security, that early warning. Superglue, the emergency fix-it. This trick has come in handy more times than I can count. Superglue isn't just for fixing broken pottery. In a pinch, it can close up wounds. For deep cuts, it can be a lifesaver. It'll seal the wound and stop the bleeding. Always seek professional medical attention. BioLite, fire up your life. This is the BioLite, a game-changer in portable power. It runs on twigs and pine cones, fuel you can find anywhere. It also generates electricity to charge your phone or headlamp. Survival and sustainability rolled into one. A must-have for any prepper valuing self-sufficiency. Sewer plug blocking out disaster. This unassuming item could save you from a world of trouble. A sewer plug creates an airtight seal in your sewer line, preventing backflow into your home. It's something you hope you never have to use, but you'll be grateful you have it. Prepping isn't just about the wilderness, it's about being ready for any eventuality. Picture this. You're caught in a storm and you need shelter fast. This is where the tactical bivvy comes in. It's compact, lightweight, and fits in your backpack, providing protection from the elements. Made from durable, waterproof material, it traps body heat, keeping you warm. In survival, shelter is non-negotiable. Make sure you've got a tactical bivvy in your pack. This one's a no-brainer, right? But we're not just talking about any old flashlight. We're talking about reliable, durable flashlights, the kind that won't let you down when you need them most. Look for dynamo-driven crank flashlights, the kind you can power up without batteries. Remember, darkness can be disorienting and dangerous. A good flashlight is your beacon in the night, illuminating your path and keeping you safe. Now this is serious stuff, folks. A cat tourniquet controls severe bleeding from extremity wounds. It's simple but incredibly effective, even with one hand. In a traumatic injury, every second counts. A cat tourniquet can be the difference between life and death. Proper training is crucial for effective and safe use. Now this is what I call ingenious. A yo-yo fishing reel is a compact, lightweight, and effective way to catch fish. It's small enough to fit in your pocket. Simply bait the hook, swing the line, and let it fly. The yo-yo reel automatically winds in the line, making it effortless to reel in your catch. In a survival situation, you need to be resourceful and adaptable. The yo-yo fishing reel is a perfect example of that. You might not think about dental care in a survival situation, but a toothache can bring you to your knees. An inexpensive dental kit from any drugstore can be a lifesaver. It has what you need to address toothaches, lost fillings, and other emergencies. Dental pain can be debilitating. A dental kit is a small investment that pays off when you're miles from a dentist. This isn't your average bandage. The Israeli dressing is a highly compressive bandage developed by the Israeli Defense Forces for treating battlefield wounds. It's designed to control severe bleeding and can be applied quickly and effectively, even with one hand. Controlling bleeding is critical in a traumatic injury situation. The Israeli dressing is a life-saving tool that can make all the difference. Don't let the name fool you. A tactical pen is more than just a writing instrument. It's a discreet and effective self-defense tool, crafted from durable materials like aircraft-grade aluminum or titanium. In a dangerous situation, a tactical pen can be used to deliver pressure point strikes, break glass, or even deter an attacker. A tactical pen is a subtle but effective way to enhance your personal security. We're talking about protection and dexterity, folks. Tactical gloves are designed for demanding situations, providing a secure grip, protecting your hands from cuts and abrasions, and enhancing your overall performance. Whether you're building a fire, handling tools, or facing a self-defense scenario, tactical gloves give you the edge. Your hands are your most valuable tools. Protect them with a good pair of tactical gloves. This one's a no-brainer in today's world. A high-quality gas mask with replacement cartridges is essential for protecting yourself from airborne threats, from chemical spills to industrial accidents. Breathing is life. A gas mask ensures you can breathe safely, even in a hazardous environment. When the power goes out, a crank radio becomes your lifeline to the outside world. Look for a radio with both solar and crank-powered charging options to stay informed. A good crank radio has a built-in flashlight and a USB port for charging devices. In a disaster, information is crucial. A crank radio keeps you connected and informed. In today's world, it's more important than ever to be prepared for the unexpected. A Geiger counter is an inexpensive but essential tool for detecting radiation levels. Whether you're concerned about nuclear fallout, industrial accidents, or even radon gas in your home, a Geiger counter gives you peace of mind. Knowledge is power. A Geiger counter empowers you to make informed decisions about your safety. When cell towers go down and the internet is down, ham radio becomes the lifeline of communication. These inexpensive radios allow you to communicate over long distances, even without infrastructure. Communication is key in any emergency. Ham radio gives you the power to connect and stay informed. An electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, can fry electronic circuits, rendering your gadgets useless. EMP protection devices like Faraday cages can shield your electronics from these damaging pulses. In a grid-down scenario, your electronics could be essential for communication, navigation, and information gathering. EMP protection devices ensure your gadgets are ready when you need them most. A doorstop alarm is a simple but effective way to fortify your home against intruders. These inexpensive devices wedge under your door, emitting a loud alarm if anyone tries to force their way in. Your home is your sanctuary. A doorstop alarm gives you peace of mind, knowing you have an extra layer of protection. A seed vault is a collection of locally sourced seeds, carefully stored to preserve their viability. It's an insurance policy for your garden, ensuring you can grow your own food even if supply chains are disrupted. Choose seeds for fruits, vegetables, and herbs that thrive in your climate. Food security is essential for survival. A seed vault empowers you to grow your own food and become more self-sufficient. Life tent shelter from the storm. A life tent is a lightweight, compact shelter designed to keep the elements off your head. Whether you're caught in a sudden downpour or need to create a temporary shelter in a survival situation, a life tent can make all the difference. Shelter is one of the core elements of survival. A life tent provides a quick and easy way to protect yourself from the elements. Duct tape, the universal fix-it. This versatile adhesive tape has 1,000,001 uses, from patching up gear to creating makeshift shelters. Carry a roll of duct tape in your backpack, your car, and your home. Resourcefulness is key in a survival situation. Duct tape is the ultimate tool for improvisation and repair. Chapter 24, Duct Tape. The adventure continues. We've only just scratched the surface of what duct tape can do. This amazing adhesive has so many uses, it deserves its own video. That's why I've put together a special video dedicated entirely to the amazing uses of duct tape in a survival situation. Click the link in the description below to check it out. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Stay prepared, stay safe. Here are 24 essential prepper items you might not have thought of. Prepping isn't about fear. It's about being prepared and resourceful. How many of these items do you have? Drop your score in the comments. Stay safe, stay prepared, and never give up. This is your name, signing off.